Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Alex, and today I'm actually going to show you a $36,000 profit we made with one of our students here at Lock Steady. Now, Lock Steady is a part of our coaching program, so he gets individual attention where I actually help him enter and exit these trades. So you can actually get that as well if you go through the link in the description and become a part of our coaching program. But he's also part of the Crash Trading Club, and so we helped him make $51,000 in the last 3 days. You do the math, that's averaging about $17,000 in profits a day. So look guys, I'm just going to shut up. I'm going to let Lock Steady walk you through the trade, and I really hope you enjoy the video, guys. If you're new, welcome, but if you've been here, you guys know this is nothing new, nothing special. And so I hope you guys know that you can do this, okay? And, our students are living proof of that. So remember, when you join, I'm going to give all my energy, time, and effort into making sure you walk away with the same profits as our students. All right, guys, enjoy the video, and we'll see you soon.
Last 2 days, we have in the Crash Trading Club, Alex puts out some great trades, pretty much on the daily, especially when it's earnings season. And these are the trades we've made in the past 2 days here. So biggest one, Zillow puts. We made some money here on Chegg, on ENPH, Zillow again, Chegg, and then SI as well. And then there's like 2 losses here, but look at the green. Let's get real here. So if you're not a part of the club, definitely join it. If you have not bought the course, you need to buy that too. Because what I just made today, was pay for like 10 years of it. So, so get in it, be a part of it, join the club. Let's hang out. It's going to be a fun time. So let's make some money together. Talk to you guys soon. What's happening, guys? This is Lock Steady from the Crash Trading Club. Today I'm going to go over some Zillow puts we made some money on today, and some Zillow calls. We made a little bit of money on those too. I'm going to walk you through the trade today. Pretty excited to go through it. It was not an easy trade by any means. Lots of emotions, but at the end pulled out. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what's up. I have lots of different indicators, as you guys can see. Now I'm going to hide all these, but I'm using TradingView. I like TradingView because all the cool colors and all the different things you can do. Main indicators I really like: MACD, volume, ADX, DI, RSI. By themselves, they don't really mean much. You put them all together, pretty cool stuff. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and hide these, and we're going to get to the meat of this. So Zillow had earnings yesterday, and typically in earnings, they pop it open, and then middle of the day, they go ahead and drop. So went ahead, bought calls at the open. This is at 9:30 and 50 seconds. So got good fills there. Both 2 different strike prices, 190 and 195. 9 minutes later, sold to close for some profit there, because the main portion of this trade today were the puts, and so I was cool with taking some profit. Cool, quick, $4,700 right there. All right, we're doing it, we're good. Okay, so we're moving along here. So it's going a little bit sideways. It's getting a little boring. It's been, it's been almost an hour, and so all right, I think it's time for some puts, right? So let me hide this stuff for you. So we're on some puts here, and bought the puts. So naturally, when you buy something and you want it to go down, it's going to go up. So it went up, and it kept going up, which we did not expect. But what you got to do in these situations, you gotta trust the plan, and that's what we did here. So I kept sizing up the contracts here. So I originally started at a 315 fill, 30 contracts. Kept moving up here. We're at 340 now, so we're already down almost 25% here. 15 contracts. Now we are going up still. So we're at $3 and 20 contracts. So naturally, we should probably sell, right? No, we're not going to do that. We're going to buy more contracts. In fact, we're going to buy the most contracts that we did all day, because we're going to follow the plan. So 105 contracts at this point, average fill at $3. Okay, so at this point, I'm it's been an hour or so, and I'm, on paper I'm losing money. But remember, you don't lose money until you sell. So waiting this out a little bit, and we see it pop here, hit it high. It's high at 198, and now we're going down. We're going down. All right, so we are going down. At its point, it crosses over this VWAP line here. This would have been a good spot to sell half. If we wanted to be a little more conservative, me naturally, I didn't sell yet. I kept holding it. All right, so it goes back up. It goes back, hovers around 195, but still feeling okay. I know it just hit 190, so we're all right. Okay, so at this point, it goes back down again, and there's this kind of pivotal moment called the VWAP. And there's a VWAP cross here. Essentially, VWAP, what it is if it's over, if the stock price is over, it's essentially saying, okay, well, it's looking a little bullish. Going below it, a little bit bearish at this point. So it finally did that kind of full cross bearish on that VWAP. So now I'm feeling a lot better. Okay, so then it just starts shooting down. So right here, this is about 12 p.m. Eastern, and it drops down in this next half hour here. So it drops, and I originally had an exit plan here around $185. But at this point, I've been holding this contract for well over an hour and a half, 2 hours, and that's a lot. That's a lot. So I go ahead and sell. It hits 186. I sell half the contracts, right, at 610. Pretty good there. And drops a little bit more. So we're at the bottom. Nice. Sell some more. 695. Another half the contracts there. Gone. Got 20 contracts left. All right. So now it's crossed over that middle part of that Bollinger Band. I'm going to go ahead and sell the rest at 20. So I do that, and we see some nice profit. So some great profit today. We were looking at just under $33,000 on the puts here on Zillow. Not mad about that. About 106%. So if you can double your investment on something, you're doing all right. And then, combine that with the calls this morning, we're looking, right around 36,000, and looking pretty pretty there. So last 2 days, we have in the Crash Trading Club, Alex puts out some great trades, pretty much on the daily, especially when it's earnings season. And these are the trades we've made in the past 2 days here. So biggest one, Zillow puts. We made some money here on Chegg, on ENPH, Zillow again, Chegg, and then SI as well. And then there's like 2 losses here, but look at the green. Let's get real here. So if you're not a part of the club, definitely join it. If you have not bought the course, you need to buy that too, because what I just made today, was pay for like 10 years of it. So so get in it, be a part of it, join the club, let's hang out. It's gonna be a fun time, so let's make some money together. Talk to you guys soon.